Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. The next trick question that you'll run into is number 10. It's the pets trick question. Now, Shadow joined us for the prior video because it's time for him to go to bed. And at a certain time, he'll come over and bitch at me until I literally put him in bed, cover him up, and sing my little song. I don't sing him a long song because otherwise he bitches also. So, let's go ahead and begin. Pets trick question. How far do you walk your dog? Okay, how far can you walk? If the dog is pulling on you, does it cause you back problems? Do you have tough integrating with people that you might walk into and assimilating with conversation? All kinds of trick questions that can come from that. Be aware of them. Next one. Yeah, how do you take care of pet? Yada yada. Next one. Do you feed your dog? We're talking about bending over, scooping, stooping, kneeling, crouching. All these functions that are required to be able to feed an animal, whether it's a cat, a dog, a horse, or whatever. Trick question. Do you take your dog to the vet? Boom. Gotta lift the dog on the table, right? Gotta administer medication to the dog thereafter, right? All these things are questions that can be used to show that you have functional capacity to do a job in the national economy. And you might be thinking, just because I can bend over and feed my dog doesn't just mean I can do a job. True, but that's not how they look at it. Because they're taking a moment in time and trying to figure out whether or not you can go ahead and do a job. And if there's any potential, they're going to put it on you. Okay? Why are you wiggled up in a little ball? Come here. There you go. Just snuggle monkey. So, pets are tricky. You might want to talk about pets. You might want to talk about the details of the pets. That's fine. But at the end of the day, pets are really going to harm you. Which is sad because a lot of people use pets when they have little PTSD moments, depression moments, anxiety moments, panic attacks, whatever. They use pets to calm themselves down. This system doesn't look at it that way. Which is kind of weird because people have emotional support animals. People have full-on, orange vest animals that take them down the street, across the street, all that jazz. We use animals for disabilities. But for the most part, unless they have full certification, they're going to tear into them and make you basically a person who has the capacity to have pets and therefore the capacity to go ahead and do work in the national economy. All right? My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you want the most up-to-date information, custom video made about a particular topic you like, or you just have a question about something, shoot me an email, give me a call, or shoot me a text, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.